Hello, my name is Inga Bailey, owner and operator of Inga Bailey Brows, located in Atlanta, Georgia, and your eyebrow expert. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I announced the launch of Inga Bailey Brows Cosmetics, coming in March 2020. Now, for some people, this may seem like it came out of the blue, but trust and believe me, this is something that has been in the works for almost 5 years. Now, I wanted to create something that was very simple, that made your brows look natural and made you feel beautiful, and that's exactly what I did. So I created this line because I've been in the beauty industry for over 10 years now, and within those 10 years, people have made beauty so complicated, all the way down to the eyebrows. There's no reason why you should have 7 or 8 products just to do your eyebrows. And there's also no reason why it should take you 20 minutes just to do your eyebrows. Now, having said that, I have an array of clientele. I have women who just had newborn babies and they barely get 2 hours of sleep. And I also have clients who spend about 2 hours doing their makeup every single morning. Now, I fall somewhere in the middle, and a lot of my clients actually do fall somewhere in the middle. But I wanted to create something for those new moms or just busy women or people who just don't wear makeup at all, to those women who do a full face of glam every single day. And Inga Bailey Brows is that perfect mesh between those two. So I want to show you the products that I have in the line. Again, very simple. It's 3 products, very simple and easy. Now down the line we will add more, but right now I wanted people to understand that brows are simple. It doesn't take much to fill in the eyebrows. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the product line and tell you what's in it and how to use the products. The first product I'm going to show you is our brow pencil, our retractable eyebrow pencil. It's a smudge-proof pencil. It's very fine. I love fine pencils. So you can shade in the brow and also do hair-like strokes in the brow. With this pencil, you can also blend your product in. I love having that spoolie on the end, so it makes it very easy. This pencil comes in 5 shades, and I love it because it's waterproof, it's water resistant. Once you put it on, it's not going anywhere until you tell it to go somewhere. So I love this pencil. It comes in 5 different shades. To see those shades, please visit www.ingababylybrows.com. The second product I'm going to show you is our Jumbo Highlighter Pencil. So this is great because it's dual-ended. It has 2 parts on it. It has a matte side and it has a shimmer side. So I like to use the matte side for under the brow bone. It's going to create definition, and these are my used products. I actually use these products, so that's why they look like they've been used, because they have. But this is the Jumbo Brow Pencil in the cream color. So this has a cream side for the under eyes, the matte side, and they all come with a shimmer side that you can apply underneath the brow if you want to, but I like to apply it on the lid for a really easy eyeshadow look. It makes it really fun, nice to put in your bag when you're on the go. We do have a brush that goes along with this to help you smudge and get a really clean line. The matte side that goes underneath the brow is great for creating definition and lift under the brow. I love using a highlighter stick underneath the brow. So this comes in 2 shades. The one that I have here is cream, and this is great for warm undertones or neutral undertones. And then the other shade is a pink shade that is great for rosier undertones. Now, the last product I have is a brow gel. So just like the hairs on your head, your brows must be styled and they must be held in place. But also, just like the hair on your head, if you hold your hairs with products that are too hard and not conditioning, they can make the hair snap and break. Same thing can happen in the eyebrows. You do not want that. So here we have a brow gel. This one is tinted. This comes in 3 shades. This one is a dark brown. So we have a dark brown and a brunette that are tinted. The brunette is much lighter than this one. But this is great for those who have some silver girlfriends in the brows, what I like to call little gray hairs, some wisdom coming in, and you don't necessarily want to tint them with actual brow tint, but here you have tinted brow gel. You can cover those up while styling. So this has more than one purpose. Also, what you can do, if you have little silver hairs in the front, you can cover those up with this as well. So we have, again, the dark brown and the brunette, and then we also have clear. The thing that's different about this brow gel, again, is that it has conditioner in it. So as you're setting your brows are conditioned. They're not going to snap. I have it on today and my brows are held in place. They're not budging. They're not going anywhere, but they're also not hard and they're still very soft. So that's very important. The other products that we have along, again, are the brush to help blend out your highlighter and a jumbo sharpener to make sure you can sharpen your highlighter sticks. So I hope you all enjoy the line and love it as much as I do. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, send them over to Inga at ingabaileybrowse.com, or if you see me on social media, don't be afraid to send a message there. I will do much better at responding because I know that I struggle with that, but I'm going to make sure that I stay up to date and respond. But the best way to get in touch with me is to visit me on my website, www.ingabaileybrowse.com. There you can find video tutorials on how to use the products. You can find frequently asked questions about eyebrow services, and also you can book your appointment to get your brows shaped so that you can make these products work even easier with a beautifully shaped eyebrow. So for any other questions, comments, concerns, again, feel free to email me or visit my website, www.ingabaileybrowse.com. I hope you all have a great brow day. See you next time. Bye-bye.